Boss, can I use boss? So, let me look around. Put on your hand, put on your hand. So, I dedicate to Bobby over here, so. Bobby in the blue, stand up and show everybody else. She's looking lovely.
Oh God.
Too low. Yeah. There she is, the angel of my dreams. She's the most beautiful girl I've ever seen. She looks like a picture from a magazine. She's so fine, she blows my mind. She has my heart racing every time she passes me by. Oh, there's something about her that's got me caught up. I am so attracted to her and I just can't get enough. This girl, she's all that I need. She has style, she has class, she has everything. All I know is that I want her in my life. Her smile, the lights of the dark. But when I first saw her eyes, she had stolen my heart. So I really need her in my life. Cause she's so special. She is definitely the perfect girl for me. She the baddest girl I ever seen, strolling in the streets with the killing them. I call it suicide, or you're feeling it, the pulse in my heart. From your aura, never would I let it fall, never would I break it. The dictionary ain't got words to describe you. Basic words like I do, I wanna hear you say, I be searching for your love like the meaning in the Bible. She's all that I need, she is all she is good, she is everything. And all I know is that I want to be lights out the dark, she is stolen my heart. So I really need her in my life.
Choose one. Hey, bring it back. Now double your money and make it stack. I'm on to the next one.